Hello dear friends, today we are going to see the prices of the garlic as well as we want to see the prices of onion and potato. So when we talk about the date, we have the 1st of March 2024 and it's a Friday, and I just already taken the prices. I also taken the reviews of the farmers, of Indian farmers, those who are selling the product in the market. Ultimately we call that is a mandi. So the prices of garlic and the prices of onion as well as the prices of potato are everything I mentioned in this video. When we talk about the garlic prices, it's almost 10,000, 11,000 quintal. So when we convert that, one is around 100 rupees to 110 and 120 rupees kilo, any kg. And when we talk about the potato, that one is 16 rupees, 17 rupees too. And when we talk about the onion having the 22 rupees kg price, it's a wholesale price, I'm still telling to you. So those who are watching the video from outside of India or from the south, if they want to buy the product, if they want to get the product, they can also contact to our suppliers who are in Indore, so that you will get the better quality of the product. The transparency will be very nice, because every day I'm making this kind of video so that you can analyze that which qualities of product you are able to get and how much money you need to give. And our traders, like we can say our businessmen, those who are buying the garlics and potato and onion, you can give the order to them, and you can get also the profit in your country too. So ultimately the benefit will be also to our farmers also. Have prices also which I mentioned. You can see the prices ahead in this video. ओके, जय जवान जय किसान जय बलराम। किसान भाई, जो लोग अगर ये वीडियो देख रहे हैं किसान भाई, उनका बोलना हो सकता है कि भैया आप हिंदी में बोलिए, इंग्लिश समझ में नहीं आती। तो किसान भाइयों, मैं आपको बता दूं, मैंने हिंदी में भी वीडियो बनाया है और वो वीडियो आपको आ चुका है, मिल चुका है। और उसी तरह से प्याज का भी हिंदी में बनाया, ये वीडियो मैं एक्स्ट्रा बना रहा हूँ। इसका फ़ायदा समझने की कोशिश कीजिएगा। फ़ायदा सीधा सा है कि अगर बाहर कहीं ना कि हमारे यहाँ का लहसुन, प्याज या आलू का अगर डिमांड बढ़ेगा, तो उसमें कहीं ना कि हमारे व्यापारी भाइयों को ऑर्डर मिलेगा, और जब उनको ऑर्डर मिलेगा तो स्वाभाविक सी बात है वो आपसे माल खरीदेंगे, और जब आपसे माल खरीदेंगे तो बाहर का भी, जब हमारा जो यहाँ का मार्केट है वो जब बाहर के लोगों के लिए, जिस तरह का चाइना का मार्केट देखो आप, चाइना वालों का कितना बड़ा मार्केट है, वो कितने देशों को माल बेच रहे हैं, उस कंपैरिजन में हम कुछ भी नहीं कर पा रहे। तो इससे फ़ायदा कहने कि आप लोगों को ही मिलने वाला। तो इस वीडियो को भी लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, और अगर आपके कोई भाई बंधु जो कोई विदेशों में है तो उनको कहने की ये वीडियो शेयर कीजिए, ताकि वो वहाँ के लोगों को ये वीडियो भेजेंगे। चलिए, जय जवान जय किसान। This one garlic sold for 11,000 rupees, and when we look at the garlic having the big size also, and the same thing is that we have the medium size too. But and this quality of the garlic is Amreta. Actually, I already told you about that one. Is we have the G2 Amreta, Ooty, some kind of, we have the qualities of lasun. That's a type of garlic ultimately, and we have the farmers. We need to talk to farmers also. So we need to ask some question to the farmers. क्या नाम दादा आपका? गोपाल अंजना। कहाँ से आया आप? खलखला। So his name is Gopal Anjana, and he came from the Khalkala village. It's a near of Indore. Let's ask some question about the price, what he got the price, as well as we need to ask to him that is he satisfied or not with the price. आज क्या भाव मिला आपको? 11,000 रुपये। अच्छा, आप इस बात से खुश हैं कि अभी ये जो आपको रेट मिला? भाव कम है अभी ना, मतलब थोड़ा अच्छा मिलना चाहिए। Actually is not satisfied with the price. The price actually is getting now 11,000 rupees. Before 10 or 15 days ago, the same garlic, we can say, it was having the price of 18,000, 19,000 rupees, and now suddenly the price is decreased. The reason of decreasing price is quite simple, that in India right now the quantity of the garlics in a mandi, or we can say in a market, it's very huge. So that's only the reason behind of it. But as I am talking with a lot of farmers, as they are saying that they already sold a lot of garlic, they don't have stock right now. We need to ask to that person also that how much having the stocks right now. अभी कितना माल आपने बचा रखा? बाकी लगभग बेच दिया। आपने कितना बचा है? बहुत कम है। मतलब कितना लगाया? आधा माल। कितना लगाया? कितना आधा आपने? 5 बीघा, और आधा लगभग निकाल दिया। दादा आपने? हमने 2 बीघा का लगाया, 1 बीघा घर से ही बेच दिया। अच्छा, बाकी और अभी लेके आए। So almost they already sold about half of the garlic, whatever they have the stock. Is still remaining the half stock, but very few farmers having the half stock. Otherwise, most of near of Indore farmers, they already sold 70% of garlic stocks. चलिए जय जवान जय किसान जय बलराम. So that one is sold for the 9,500 rupees. And when we talk about the garlic size, the size is good as compared to teeny size. Also we have the medium size too. You can look at here. That's medium size we can say, and that is a big size we have. Not as much big as we saw the previous garlic. That was a very huge size. And when we talk about the garlic price, so its price is 9,500. Let's talk with the farmers too. क्या नाम है आपका? पटेल साहब. कहाँ से आया? Aadgaon. So his name is Irshad and he came from the Aadgaon. It's near of Indore actually. Let's ask some question about the related with the price. अभी ये क्या भाव बिका आज आपका? 9,500. So I already told about that one. Is that sold 9,500. ये कौन सी वेराइटी कौन सी है? Amleta. So Amleta I already told about that. We have a lot of varieties like Amleta, Ooty. This kind of the we can say the quality or we can say the name of the garlics in India. Okay, जय जवान जय किसान. ठीक है भैया. Dear friend, that one is sold for 22 rupees kg. And when we talk about the quintals, it's having the 20 to 100 rupees quintal, means 100 kg. When we look at the onion is having the big size also, and you can look at here. That is a big size, and we have the medium size also. Just look at the medium size too. So that is ultimately mix, and it's having the 22 rupees kilogram. So we have also one farmer here, and he sold his onion for 16 rupees as well as he sold for 21 rupees. Let's discuss to the farmer. आज क्या भाव बिका अपना?
16 और 21 रुपए.
16 रुपए और 21
रुपए.
21. So today he sold the one onion which is having the quality was not good. It was 16 rupees, and the onion which having the good quality he sold for 21 rupees. Let's ask some questions to also that is he satisfied or not. अभी अच्छा भाव अच्छा मिल रहा है.
अच्छा समाधान हुआ, खुश हुआ,
खुश है.
खुश है, खुश है.
Now he is telling that he is happy now because he is getting at least means actually the farmer want that at least the 20 rupees must be the price of onion in a wholesale. Not in I am telling about like the 1 kilo and 2 kilo. It's like quintals. Likewise, अभी कितने कट्टे लेके आए थे अपन?
मैंने 122 कट्टे.
So he is having today 122 bags. So that's why he is happy that he got the 20 rupees, 21 rupees and 16 rupees also.
दुकान नंबर 103.
जय जवान
जय किसान.
जय बलराम.
दुकान नंबर 103.
चलिए ठीक. Friend, that one is sold for 13 rupees kg, and we can say that skin of the onion also just destroyed. Ultimately that one is having the damaged onion we can say, and that price is so that price ultimately we have the 13 rupees, and when we talk about the onion, this onion actually having the small sizes also and the medium sizes too. And when we see that's a damage also, so it's the cost is 13 rupees kg.
आलू बेचा हमने.
आज क्या भाव बिका आलू?
17 रुपए.
17 रुपए. कितने मतलब किस टाइप का आलू था आज?
आलू हल्के था थोड़ा
हल्का था.
आलू बिका 17
हाईएस्ट बिका, और लास्ट वाला 12 रुपए तक. चलिए जय जवान जय किसान. So the farmers, he is ultimately not farmers, he is a sellers in a mandi. So he is just telling to us that today's potato price is 17 rupees. The price of potato of 17 rupees, that one is the highest price. Ultimately we can say the good potato price. And when we talk about the lowest price, that is 8 rupees, 9 rupees, 10 rupees, 12 rupees. Ultimately that is depend on the potato, which kind of potato actually just sold. Now the Indian boy we have here, say hello. Hello. So they are also they came to the market, and they actually just just pick some potatoes. Anyways, they are just making fun. It's okay, we need to do our work. क्या नाम है आपका? जाहिद. कहाँ से आए आप?
बोल रहा हूँ.
क्या भाव गया आलू आज आपका?
1521.
1521. कितने कट्टे लेके आए? 33. चलिए जय जवान जय किसान जय बलराम.